profit of $6,800. All right, that couch is done. Look at that. You guys have a perfect example on how Bstock does stuff sometimes, and it's so annoying. And it's one of the key tools that was able to help us really scale everything. Images right there. Usually happens from shipping, but once we implemented this, really allowed us to see how much we're making per order if we hit our target already. Needs cleaning and shade. This is what happens when you live in California and you never see rain. What's going on, everybody? Brian here. Today is October 14th. We're gonna be receiving a shipment of Bstock today, and I just wanted to bring you guys along and show you guys how that looks. But before I do that, I'm gonna update the sheet that we have with the manifest, with the order that's gonna be coming in, so that I kind of know what to expect, what to look for, and then once this is updated, I can pull it up on my phone and update it as we go through the shipment today. So here it is. This is the sheet that we use here at Plush Couches. It helps us really stay on track and know everything that comes in, know what the status is, easily find out the details of the couches. This really helps us a lot in our business, and it's one of the key tools that was able to help us really scale everything, because in the beginning we were kind of just winging it, no type of system. But once we implemented this, it really allowed us to see how much we're making per order if we hit our target already for the order or whatnot. But let me go ahead and show you guys how it works. On the right here, this is the manifest. This is the order that we placed with Bstock and that we'll be receiving today. Three key information that I transfer over here is the description, the item number, and the retail value. The description, I put that over here, item number over here, and then the retail value. And also the COGS, obviously, right? So I need to transfer over the cost of goods so that I know exactly how much we paid for this without having to look at the manifest. In addition to that, how this helps us when the shipments come in is because we're able to really notate the condition of each and individual couch. If you guys want to have access to this sheet, if you want to be able to help streamline your business and able to monitor everything using this worksheet, it's available to you guys completely for free. You just have to download it and then watch the short tutorial. And if you have any questions, shoot us a message. Anyway, let's get into the order. All right, so shipment has arrived. So as I mentioned before, this is the sheet that we're currently using. I have it out on my phone, but I'm using the glasses to be able to show you guys how it looks. So right now, this came in the page, the very first one. I'm gonna make it as complete. Put you down over here. Already has damages. So I see damages right there. Usually happens from shipping. So I definitely got that from being an open package like this. And it's a little dirty. So what I marked on the sheet was cleaning and repairs. This seems to be the armless. Need sewing on armless. I'm gonna go ahead and continue this throughout the shipment, just checking off the orders, updating our sheets, notating everything as the shipment comes in. So we'll keep it moving. I'll show you guys a perfect example on how Bstock does stuff sometimes, and it's so annoying. So as you can see right there, look at that. They put another pallet on top of the couch. Is that standard practice? That's annoying as hell, man. Just No, you're gonna get your hand smashed, bro. Wait. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's hella damaged. Alright, that couch is done. Alright. I think it needs like 10 of us in there. Alright. See that? That's what we gotta do out here. Make the hooks go up. Yep, keep going. Yep. So like I said, this is the Macone. And All right, let's update this thing. Marion complete. Let's do a deep cleaning on it because it's white. It looks used like new. This one right here would have came in okay, somewhat. It's used also, but look at that. Look at all that damage. But I'm gonna put this on B stock, or I'm gonna put it on the order sheet that it was damaged. Came in broken. Chair. So keeping it moving. I already brought down one of the Tisdales. This is a Tisdale. I don't know if it's complete. Doesn't seem like it. Seems to only have oh, okay, it is complete. So this is a 6-piece Tisdale. Dark gray. It is a newer model because it has zippers. But yeah, it doesn't look that bad. This one looks okay. Go ahead and mark this Tisdale. Just like cleaning. That's complete. Like cleaning. This is the other Tisdale that should be coming in that might be not in the greatest condition. All right, dark gray Serene just came in. Oh, I can already tell. See, it is used and abused. This batch hasn't been one of our greatest. This is pretty bad in my opinion. All right, so I'm on the Serene, deep cleaning, but it's used like me. This is durable clay, 6-piece Tisdale. Seems to be all right. Seems to be all right. This one looks new. That one we're keeping out because we're gonna do further inspections on it because it's already sold. Make sure that's in good condition. This is the Serene. Has some damages. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, this one looks good, but it still needs further inspection. Oh, see, it just gets dirty off of shipment. But that one's good. This one's good. I would consider this one good condition. Just a few more couches left. This is the SX that just came in. Looks, from first glance, looks okay too. So let's notate that. Looks okay. Complete. The thing is, when it's dark gray like that, it's not visible. Like anything that's wrong with it, it's very hard to see. So, but as you can see though, my guy put it a little bit too close. So let me see if I can back this up really quick. Oh, that hurting myself. This is the other Tisdale. The other dark gray Tisdale. I'm gonna take a look at it right now. So, see what I mean? Older model, but it's in good condition. So, not bad. But as you can tell, it's definitely the older model. It has no zippers. These are sewn in, so they're not removable. But I think overall, it's in really, really good condition. Henry Don Murphy sofa. Broken legs. See? It's So now we get to notate that this and the other couch were broken. Broken legs. Like clean. Last two are in there. I saw it earlier. They don't look bad. They're just the regular chairs, which I just updated on the sheet. So next thing is we have to notate the shipment or the order form that there was two things that were damaged. Okay, thank you. That's it. So now when they get the manifest, they'll be able to see that I took notes of it when it came in. They don't have any doubt that it didn't happen during inspection. And again, I have photos and videos of proof of it. What we're gonna do now is go back into the sheet. Let me go ahead and open up a loom and I'll show you guys exactly what I'll be looking at as far as what the more accurate resale value is going to be for this particular order. All right, so now I'm looking at the sheet online. As you can see, I made all my updates on my phone, but once I pull up the sheet on the Google Sheet, it's updated there too. That's the good thing. It's being updated live and anyone that's working on it can see what's happening or what the condition is of the couch. So for the 3 pages, going back again, one needs sewing, just cleaning, needs cleaning and shaving. They're all good. So I think this one can stay at 12 or 1300. This might be at 12 and this at 12, just because we need to clean it and then sew the fabric to see if we can really bring out more value from it. The Serenes are okay, even if they're used. If we clean it, bring it back to life, we can still sell it for 1800, so I don't have to worry about that. This Marion is the white one. I think we could do 700 for that. For the Tisdales, okay, yeah, I'll keep that at that. 1,000 and 900. Actually, both of them might be able to sell for 1,000 each, because even the older one, even though it's older model, it's still in really good condition. The Boucle can sell for 1,000. The Murphy, the white sofa. So yeah, the Leon, that one, if we repair, I really doubt. This is $999. This one, even if we repair it, it's probably gonna go for, I don't know, 600. The SX, that probably can go for 5, and then the rest of this stuff can probably go for $300 each. So right now we spent $68.70. Our projected resell is $13,700. So gives us a potential profit of $6,829. So our ROI percentage wise is looking at about 99%. So not bad, not bad. It's just that, yeah, again, a lot of the stuff was damaged. A lot of stuff was, something's wrong with it. It was really a bad order for an AB order, AB grade. It's not, a lot of this stuff is bad. And I think the reason why they did that was there's a lot of good stuff in it, which was the first top 5, the 3 pages and the 2 Serenes, which are really good couches. But then they just screwed everything else almost. But not too bad, but not the greatest also. I was expecting for this to be closer to 14, maybe 14.5, for us to be over 100%, but no, not happening. So yeah, that's how this order is looking. If ever you guys want to download the sheet, you can go ahead and check out the link in the description. Sign up for school, it's completely for free, and then you'll be able to gain access to the sheets. You'll be able to gain access to any future business ideas that we have or any other reselling opportunities that we run into, because we are going to be sharing everything. For Bstock, just be patient. We are going to be dropping a full course in there from A to Z, from how to apply for a reseller license, how to place bids, what to look for, what your maximum bid is, what your resale value is going to be. So yeah, again, go check that out, and hopefully we'll see you there and you'll be able to learn some information from us and start making some money reselling. So that's it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. All our staff uses the same system, and they're able to keep track and know what's going on with each individual couch. But yeah, so all this information, don't distract me, dude.
Just say hi to the camp. What's up? What are you working on here?
I feel pretty.
See, this is what happens when you live in California and you never see rain.
Blue zebras.
Look at this guy. That's supposed to do, bro.
Like get your toes wet. You know. It's them.
That's what.
What did you use again? I forgot them Adidas.
Some water,
Yeezys?
some waterproofing right
Waterproof. There you go. I feel
there.
pretty.
See, look at our waterproofing technologies, man. I bet you no one's ever thought about this yet. To saran wrap their forklift so that they don't get wet. I wonder if we're the first.
About to take off,
I think
bro.
your waterproof
Watch
is.
this. See, look, man. Check it out. It works.
You got why you got a windshield for your shoes?
Oh, hey, speaking of windshield, man, you know, if you're in the Bay Area, you know. Still on the Bay Area, man.
Speaking of windshields,
Strip repair, windshield replacement, installation.
Got you.
Out here, baby. Hey, so one time
That's-
use only.
that's waterproofing, bro.
Yeah, one time use, bro. See, one time use.
That's waterproofing, bro.
A few moments later.
I knew it. I knew we're not gonna need a damn poncho. Waterproofing essentials with no rain.
Yeah?
Anyways, I think I'm gonna wait for this order to come in before I do anything else ridiculous.